Now, one of the biggest talking points at this time of the year in the English Premier League is the schedule. Almost all the top coaches, Jurgen Klopp, Thomas Tuchel, now Steven Gerrard, chiming in. 4 grueling and decisive games in 12 to 14 days, including 2 rounds, 2 days apart. The coaches argue it is inhumane, cruel, and unfair, especially to the players. But you know, say, these people must just shut up and dribble. These coaches and players know the nature of the EPL beast. They know the commercial importance of this Christmas schedule to the EPL. They benefit directly from the viewership and the super revenues generated by the very cluster of games they're complaining about. The EPL, as structured without a Christmas break, dominates television viewership and earnings in this period. That is why the EPL is the richest and most popular league in the world. 4 games in 14 days is a small price to pay for those fat salaries that these players and coaches earn. If the EPL schedule is so unbearable, then go coach and play in La Liga, or the Serie A, or the Bundesliga, or the League One, or even in the Jamaica Premier League. Yes, we're gonna stop the ball in and go play a ball.